Generosity is the mother of authenticity. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Srishta ka param prasar, prakhar pragya. The ultimate gift from the Creator, wisdom. Usually, there is a blend of talent in the human beings, but only some of these may be active at one point in time, and others may be dormant or inactive. These talents should first be identified, then awakened, and then must be used meticulously for the welfare of others. When used wisely, it turns divine and introduces itself like a great human. On the contrary, if human beings start misusing this enormous wealth of talent in negative actions, they start behaving like demons. A person who awakens his talent for the benefit of others is called a visionary and a prudent person. Today, it is only a matter of time that an empire of evil is often seen everywhere. This is what has made a human to behave wildly, at the same time also provided us with temperament to break the taboos. Intelligence has given rise to infidelity, and many kinds of misconceptions have also spread in society about divine authority. The era we are living in today is full of a series of massive changes. Undoubtedly, the era will change, but it is only possible by efforts of talented people, Manasvi, who are not only self-confident but can also take care of other people. In this way, when the goodwill rises, the evils prevalent in the minds of people will go away. This small book dives deeper at the revelation of the divine consciousness of the Creator will be in every sophisticated conscience, and thus this materialistic age can change with a blink of an eye. This can be the best offering, prasad, we can get from God. Few excerpts from the book. 1. The root body can remain active only if the divine consciousness is associated with it. 2. There is darkness in this world. There is also light. There is also heaven. It is also hell. There is also turmoil. There is also fall. There is also tragedy and joy. 3. Self-power is paramount in the world's power reserves, while money, intelligence, weapons, and power all seem dwarf and small compared to that. 4. A person full of affection, love, tenderness, and helping nature can also beat a cruel person and make them compassionate and kind. 5. Those who lead their lives in a planned and organized manner attain pinnacles of success in their intended domains. 6. Capabilities and efficiency of a person entirely depend on virtues, deeds, and behavior of person. 7. The willpower of a person is the most significant competency in the world. Few topics covered in the book are 1. Misconceptions about God. 2. Sophisticated talent emerged from self-power. 3. Combination of human effort and divine power. 4. Receive divine grace from eligibility. 5. Spiritual practice and worship. 6. Eradicate might, grow fragility. 7. Most crucial need these days.